Dear students, it is business studies of class 12th. Last day we knew that what are the different types of plans. I told you that time that there is single use plan and that is standing plan. Single use plan and standing plan. Now let us know the different types of plans. Different types of plans include objectives, strategy plans, policy, method, rule, program, and budget. These are different plans which are in practice in prevailing times. Let us know some of the objectives, some of the things related objectives. So these are when we say plan, every type of plan it has different types of these. So plan has different types. Plan has different types. For example, we can say objectives, strategy, policy, procedure, method, rule, program, budget. First is objective. We can say that this objective a position where the management wants to reach in future. यानी ऑब्जेक्टिव जो है ये प्लान का एक किस्म है. इसमें एक मैनेजमेंट का मकसद ये होता है कि फ्यूचर में किसी जगह पहुंचना. When a management decides to reach somewhere in future, it is known as objective. So different operations are taken into consideration to reach an objective. These objectives, it is said that these are the basis of every organization, because in an organization it is formed only with an intention to reach an objective. So objective it is also a plan. For example, if an organization wants to increase 20% sales or 10% return on investment by 10%, so every organization makes a plan in this way that I have to achieve this. It is known as objective. This is type of plan. Usually these objectives, they are formulated by the top officials or the top management, and the middle management and this lower management, it has to follow this objective. So only the top management is involved in formulation of the objective. It has certain qualities. An objective has certain qualities. For example, it should be decided for a particular job. यानी एक objective जो है ये एक खास काम के लिए बनाया जाता है. Second, it should be aimed at achievement of the results. इसका मकसद ये होता है किसी नतीजे पर पहुंचना. Then to make it measurable, यानी उसको मापा, इसको ऐसे बनाया जाता है कि इसकी पैमाइश की जा सके, इसको मापा जा सके. और इसके साथ इट शुड बी इन एक्सप्रेस्ड इन क्वांटिटेटिव टर्म्स, यानी इसको गिना या तादाद में बताया जाना चाहिए. एंड इट शुड बी टाइम बाउंड, यानी इस एक प्लान के लिए ये जो है हमें कहाँ पहुंचना है, हमें क्या मकसद हासिल करना है, हमारा इंटेंशन क्या है, तो इसमें टाइम्स पे ये जो है फिक्सिंग लाजमी चीज़ है कि किस टाइम के दौरान हमें इस मकसद तक पहुंचना है. और लास्ट है इट शुड बी सफिशिएंटली चैलेंजिंग फॉर द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए ये एक हदफ होना चाहिए, उसके लिए ये एक चैलेंजिंग होना चाहिए, हमें किसी भी लिहाज से इस तक पहुंचना है. तो सेकंड इसमें है इट इज स्ट्रेटजी. इस स्ट्रेटजी, व्हाट इज द स्ट्रेटजी? It is determining long term objectives of an organization. स्ट्रेटजी में क्या होता है, इसमें एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का मकसद जो है ये लॉन्ग टर्म होता है, और दूसरा क्या होता है, इसे स्ट्रेटजी कहा जाता है. जैसे हम कहते हैं किसी भी गवर्नमेंट की स्ट्रेटजी क्या रही है, इट मीन्स फॉर ए पीरियड ऑफ 5 years or 10 years or 15 years, or we can say that what remains the strategy of the government in terms of the entrepreneurs. So it's a long term, it's a long way to go. Second is adopting a suitable course of action, यानी उसमें एक खास काम होना चाहिए, अडॉप्ट करना है एक मुनासिब काम. और थर्ड है allocating the resources which are considered essential for achieving those objectives. यानी रिसोर्स को allocate किया जाता है जो कि इन objectives को अचीव करने के लिए होते हैं। यानी स्ट्रेटजी में रिसोर्सेज को यूटिलाइज किया जाता है सो दैट दीज ऑब्जेक्टिव्स कैन बी अचीव्ड। सो ये जो है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में स्ट्रेटजी जो है इसको इफेक्ट करता है सोशल, इकोनॉमिक, पॉलिटिकल, टेक्नोलॉजिकल एंड लीगल एनवायरनमेंट। दीज आर डिफरेंट काइंड्स ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट्स, दे इफेक्ट द स्ट्रेटजी विच इज second type of plan strategy. It is affected by the outside, these but by outsiders, or we can say the external environment. It is impressed, it is affected by. So in this strategy there must be the aim for a permanent position. Organization must continue it for a long time. There must be a permanent position when we say that it is a strategy of the government or the strategy of a business unit remains it. In this strategy, different types of strategies can be for an organization. For example, charging a lower price for its product, expenditures on advertisement. These can be the different these focuses of the strategies. Then there is a policy. For what is policy? It is a general statement that provides guidelines to the thinking. यानी एक स्टेटमेंट ऐसा होता है जो कि सोचने के लिए कुछ रहनुमा उसूल मुरतब करता है, कुछ रास्ते मुरतब करता है, कुछ रास्ते हमें दे देता है किसी चीज़ को सोचने के लिए. इट इज़ ए पॉलिसी. Just we say that what remains the policy of any type, any political party. So it's a long term and it is related to thinking or thinking guidelines for any type of organization. For example, we can say what remains the credit policy, pricing policy, these loan policy. These are the different types of policies which are determined by every type of organization. And we say that this political party had not any determined policy, it had not any strong policy. The weak policies of any organization become the reason for its failure. So these policies, they can be different in terms of different parties. For example, policies related to customers, clients, competitors. These are different types of policies which are related to the different situations, different agencies, different programs. So I think this is enough for today. Objectives, strategies and policies. Rest of three, these are procedures, methods and rules. Procedures, rules we will inshallah discuss tomorrow. So this is enough for today.